Hello, viewers, and welcome to another episode of Excel Learning to Excel in Excel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about how to convert an image containing lots and lots of numbers into an Excel table, and that too in seconds. Yes, you heard that right. We are going to create that magic in a moment. Before we jump into the topic, do consider subscribing if you like the contents. Now, let us straight jump into the data. For example, you have received something like this, an image, or something like this, again an image containing a lot of numbers from your boss, your colleague, and you are expected to convert this into an Excel sheet filled with numbers. Now, what is a traditional way to do it? Because it is an image, it is not an Excel sheet. It is an image which has been taken by way of a photograph over a mobile phone. How do you convert that to Excel? So the traditional way is you type in the numbers. Now you can imagine typing, let's say for example, this data set itself would take so much time, at plus it will also lead to inaccuracies and it will be quite frustrating to type the numbers. Now we'll come to how we can accomplish this same data being converted into a table in a matter of seconds. Yes, you heard that right, in a matter of seconds. This is the same table that we just saw over here. Okay, now let's see how to accomplish the same. So we'll open a new Excel worksheet. Inside that, I'll go to the data tab. Inside the data tab, I'll go to get data. Inside get data, I'll go to from other sources and from picture, and inside that I'll select picture from file. Inside that I will simply select this image. That's it. Now Excel is using artificial intelligence to convert the picture into readable data. It is almost done its job. Now because it is reading data from an image, there might be some inaccuracies in reading the data which Excel might face. Hence it is asking us to review the data. So in this case, for example, it will ask to review wherever it is having a doubt. So it will, for example, say this is quarter 2 and it is also interpreted as quarter 2. So it's okay. Similarly, you just need to go on clicking the next, and if you see a problem in any data point, you can alter it here and then accept. In the interest of time, I will accept everything. And you see, as I promised, in a matter of seconds, we have the data converted from an image which was taken from a mobile phone, and that too of not a very high quality, into an Excel sheet table within seconds. Now, a couple of caveats here. Do consider doing the review rigorously of this data when in the previous step when I showed the review points. Why? Because it might so happen that some numbers are not in a very good readable format, and hence you might need to edit those numbers in the while converting itself. Now that's it. Hope you liked the video. Do consider subscribing and share it with someone who may need it.